California RV Glass, this is John. May I help you? You have a 2018 Tiffin Allegro bus. Yes. And you want it done mobile? Yeah, no problem. We'll be there Friday, 10 to 12. Thanks, have a great day. Hello, my name is John Stakes. I own California RV Glass, and we are headed to do a very big job. So, what I'm trying to show everyone today is what it actually takes to do a gigantic windshield in a $500,000 Tiffin Allegro bus. We'll go through all the steps, what it takes, the glue, cutting it out, putting it back in, and maybe even getting paid today. Talk to you soon. In order to do these windshields, we use a 12-foot Werner scaffold, which is made of two 6-foot Werner scaffolds. Cut a couple sections, bolt the thing together, and you got yourself a 12-foot scaffold. To get the windshield that high and hold 3 people and the windshield, you need something big like this, and it's very portable. First thing we do is yank these wipers and get them out of the way. Just a couple bolts, put them somewhere safe. Take the bolt off, just kind of give it a pry. You can see take the nut off, sorry, and kind of give it a pry up and down until you feel it break loose. The very first step in removing this windshield is a cut in between the seal and the glass, all on 3 sides. Just for added protection, I like to put some vinyl tape around the edges to avoid a scratch during the next step of cutting it out. This is the Klein tool. It is a very necessary tool. It is also very expensive. I think they run about $1,000. Lucky for me, I have a very nice nephew who gave it to me. Yeah, let's cut this thing out. Here we go with the Klein tool, and you'll see why this is such a necessary tool. I'm gonna get it worked in there. Turn this baby on. Okay, so we got 3 sides cut out. Derek, spray the inside on the bottom all the way across. Careful with the camera. And then we'll get couple guys up here with suction cups. We're gonna yank this thing out. We'll have this thing cut out within 10 minutes of starting. That's why the Klein tool is so important. Okay, whenever you put your suction cups on, clean the windshield, because I'm not sure how much this thing weighs. It's got to be somewhere around 200. You don't want that suction cup slipping off. You want a nice clean surface to suck it onto. Here we go. We're going to cut the bottom lastly while 2 other people hold it. The new windshield does not come with the new sticker for this camera, so you want to save it, preserve it as well as possible. Spray away and a nice sharp brand new razor blade. We'll get it right off with the glue intact.
Wow, this is very, yeah, it is. Can you get your end out? There we go. Wow. Here it comes.
Cool, Derek.
Pull it. That's good. If I pull any further, I'll fall off
All right, we got the windshield out. Next step is to get the seal out. So it's pretty basic stuff. It's the same thing as a car windshield, just a lot bigger. These windshields have a seal of adhesive instead of a rubber seal. And this is what we take out also. Now we take it out on 3 sides. The left, the right, and the top. But then we leave the bottom because that's what the new windshield sets on. And then we just cover it with the same type of adhesive so it all looks perfect. Okay, so I'm working this bottom seal a little. As you can see, I'm not going to take the bottom seal out. This is what the windshield is literally going to set on, and it's going to be the same height as, you know, when it was with the factory. So we just cut out all the adhesive and just leave that bottom one in, and that is what the windshield will set on, and we'll be good to go when the new windshield goes in. So the old windshield's out, and all the glue we want to take out is out, and we are getting ready to drag that new windshield over here and get it up on the stand, get ready to shoot some new glue. Here we go. We're getting ready to set this windshield in here. We're going to pick it up to the scaffold, and when we put it in, you'll see us aiming for the top corners. Someone will be pushing on the bottom to get it on that bottom ledge of glue. When that happens, we can release it. It will set right in. No problems. 1, 2, 3. A little more, Aaron. Oh. Derek,
Yeah.
You're up here and you're in the middle. Aaron? No, I don't need a ladder. Okay. A little more. Right about there. And my suction cup is moving down. So you basically know what to do, right, Derek? We're going in at the top. You push in at the bottom. We're going to hold at the top, and you're going to pound. Pound sand. Make sure it's over the glue before we release. Stakes, you ready?
Over the glue? You mean
Over the bead.
over the dry glue?
Yeah. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Go, Derek. Aaron, how much space you got?
It's a good amount. I don't know if it's like maybe
Let's go your way.
quarter inch.
Let's go your way.
Go left. Here we go.
That looks good.
Pretty close over here.
More. Lift, Derek and Aaron lift. Like this, Derek. See it? See
Yeah.
the lips that go? How's it look?
Beautiful.
Aaron, lift. Okay. That's it. Right there. Okay, it went in successfully. That was a heavy windshield. Got it perfectly on the bottom, so it's sitting right on the old rubber. This thing's incredibly heavy. I cannot believe how heavy this windshield is, and this glue actually holds it. Shouldn't be saying stuff like that, but it's true. It's unbelievable. Okay, what we're doing now is taping off for the final seal. The final seal doesn't really do anything except look good. And we're about to just tape this off, shoot it, and peel the tape, and this will be a done deal. Okay, well, this is a job finished. I've been doing straight RV glass for 5 years now, I think. I'm self-taught. No one taught me how to do an RV windshield. If I made a mistake, tell me in the comments. I'm more than open to recommendations on how to do something different. I hope you guys liked the video. This is our first video, obviously. Please like it and subscribe if you can. Thank you.